Hi everyone, in this following video I'm going to walk you through how you can add or link your credit card on PayPal account. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, you'll have to log in into your account. So in order to log in, you'll have to type in the link that is www.paypal.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. Next, tap on the payment method in the top right corner. After you tap on payment method, next tap on link a debit card or credit card in the bottom left corner of your screen. After you tap on it, next interface you'll have to choose how you want to link your card. So you have two different options. So then you'll have to tap on debit or credit card. And once you're in this page, now you have to enter your debit or credit card detail. So you can see first of all you'll have to select your card type, and after that you'll have to enter the expiry date, and then you'll have to enter the security code and then your billing address. And after you're done entering the card detail, tap on link card. So in order to link your card, now you have to enter the OTP or a verification code, and once you're done entering the OTP, tap on submit, which is right at the bottom. If the provided information is correct, on the other interface you'll be notified that the card has been linked successfully. So all you need to do is tap on done, and that is how you can add or link your debit card on PayPal account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.